What's the meaning of crème de la crème? Crème de la crème. Crème de la crème.
Crème de la crème. Crème de la crème. Crème de la crème is a French idiom that translates to the cream of the cream in English. It refers to the best of the best or the most exceptional people or things in a particular group or category. It is often used to describe top performers, leaders, or products in their respective fields. Being considered the crème de la crème is an indication of excellence and superiority. It is a phrase commonly used in both French and English-speaking cultures to represent the highest level of quality or achievement.